I built this IPL match predictor for 2026. No OpenAI, no API, no limits, just raw compute crushing a 7 billion parameters language in M3. Let's build it. We are going to take a massive CSV file of IPL every match ever played till 2025, plus the recent form of current players, and we will crunch this data using Flutter, and we will inject this whole thing into the LLM. And we will do this by using a master prompt. We need two things: a blazingly fast front end. For front end, we will use Flutter, and Flutter here is just a waiter, and the chef is Olama. AI is stupid if you give it garbage. If you ask ChatGPT who will win the match, so it will start hallucinating. So for that, we need to spoon feed hyper specific context. If it works, I don't know what it's useful for, but let's see. So first of all, step 1. So I built the surface as dark and using a neon color. So both are in theme. These are the data models I am using: the match record and the team squad. I am also calculating the average form of each team by aggregating the recent score for every player and by team. Parsing thousands of lines of CSV data in Flutter, like, it's not feasible and it will freeze the app. So for that I am using like this. This way we throw the processing to the background Dart isolate, and this keeps our UI smooth. For the bridge, we write an asynchronous post request to the Olama local instance. When the user selects a matchup, our Dart logic compiles head-to-head stats, venue pitch trends, star players, and the whole package is sent to the prompt and all sent to the local LM, and then it starts its own magic. We need to add this line to call our Olama instance locally in Mac. There was one problem where franchises keep changing names. So Punjab Kings 11, Punjab 11. So last 15 years data were there. So we had a problem that multiple duplicate teams and venues were also coming. So for that thing, there was only one solution: data sanitization. Here we have normalized team name and normalized venue name. So regular expressions are to the rescue. We strip the punctuations and map all the older historical data to their current names. So now the data is cleaned, AI is ready, and the isolate is primed. Let's see the results. The first match is going to happen between RCB and Sunrisers Hyderabad, and it's going to happen in Chinnaswamy Stadium, Bangalore. So we have started the engine. Let's see what it gives. Here we have our result and the data that is being fed to the AI, and we have our result that is analyzed by AI. Okay, let's wait till Saturday. And during the whole season, I will be improving this application and updating the player data and their recent forms with every match, how it goes. So I will make next video before the finals with the updated application.